Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. If your Xiaomi Robot isn't turning on, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First, ensure that the robot is charged. Connect the charger to the robot and check for any LED indicators. If the lights don't illuminate, the battery may be completely drained. Next, gather the necessary tools for further inspection. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and possibly a can of compressed air for cleaning. Begin by removing the screws on the bottom of the robot using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover to access the internal components. Inside, check the battery connections. Sometimes, the connectors can become loose or corroded. If you notice any corrosion, use the soft cloth to clean the contacts carefully. Ensure that the battery is securely connected to the board. If you don't feel comfortable doing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. While you're inside the robot, take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris that might be affecting performance. Use the compressed air to blow out any accumulated dirt, particularly around the motor and sensors. A clean robot can often resolve minor issues that cause power problems. After cleaning, reassemble the robot by carefully placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws. Try turning on the robot again. If it still doesn't power on, the issue might be more serious, such as a faulty battery or motherboard. Don't worry, if you're not equipped to handle this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Before proceeding with any repairs, we recommend getting a quote before repair. This way, you can be informed of any costs involved without any surprises. If the robot powers on successfully, congratulations! You've solved the issue. If the robot still doesn't respond, it may be best to consult with a professional technician. Remember, with our service, you don't have to make any calls or travel, everything can be handled from the comfort of your home. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and potentially rectify the issue with your Xiaomi Robot. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also prevent future problems, so be sure to keep your robot in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.